Okay, this is actually not a foreclosure. This is a distressed fixer-upper for sale by an individual. So this is not bank owned, it's not corporate owned, it's owned by an individual. And here's one of the big differences that I've seen over the years when you're dealing with distressed properties, fixer-uppers, corporate sales compared to individual sales. One thing about the banks, most of them, 90% of them or more, are going to have the yard cleaned up. They're going to have it cut, trimmed, and they're going to have all the debris and crap moved out on the inside. It doesn't mean they're going to actually do repairs or clean anything, but they're going to have all the junk and stuff removed. So this one, the yard's horrible. You'll see there's a pool. The pool is in bad shape. Let's just walk around the back and look at it first. This is the first time I've seen this property, so I went ahead and walked through it real quick to see what I'm dealing with, and this one's worse than the two I just got. I mean, this thing's bad. Probably the best part about it, it's got a huge backyard, but I mean, you've got massive amounts of wood rot. You've got a lot of cracks. You've got broken windows everywhere. Just wait till you see the inside. Oh, Lord. I mean, you've got it just overgrown. The pool is nasty. It's not caged, so a huge liability. But I'm sure the agent has no clue about that, nor does the seller. But it's something I would not want as a homeowner. Anything happens, you're going to get your rear end sued big time. But I mean, big lot. Nice, flat, big lot. Look at all the tadpoles. Yeah, this is a cesspool, but I mean, this thing could be brought back up. But the house, I don't know. I don't even know if I can go upstairs. But wait till you see this. This is bad. So all the ceilings are caving in or falling in because they're so moldy and water saturated. I mean, look at this room. I hate walking through this crap. But look. I don't think the seller cares too much about this property, obviously. Like I said, big difference. If it was bank owned, at least they would have all this crap removed. I mean, look. Look at all these tires and stuff back here. I mean, look at this. I don't even know if I'd want this if you gave it to me. Hey, the most valuable thing in the home. A couple cans of Rotel. I could use those. Look at this. Alright, look at the boards. Look how just rot they are. I don't even know if this house is salvageable. I'll tell you one thing, I wouldn't want to touch it. I mean, oh Lord, no wonder. Jesus. Another thing the banks would do, they would probably make everybody sign a hold harmless. Yeah, I'm not even going up there to even enter this property. Like I said, huge liability. But this is kind of a good example when you have inexperienced real estate professionals that don't really know what they're doing. I I would never let people in this house if I owned it without having hold harmless signed. This thing is a ticking time bomb for an accident. And it's just a matter of time if you sell houses like this before something happens to somebody and they sue. I've seen it too many times. Especially if it's a bank or something like that where they can get, think they're going to get insurance money or whatever. I mean, this room's not too bad. This house was probably really cool in its heyday. But I think this is a teardown. I mean, this thing's just effed up bad. And like I said, I think this is worse than my other two foreclosures. Yeah, I mean, just look at these boards. Yeah, lock up when you're done. Well, I wonder what kind of activity they get on a house like this. I think it's priced way too high, obviously, but the way our market is and the way there's not that many properties, you never know. But after my 20 years of experience doing this is something right here I wouldn't want to touch with a 10-foot pole. Just no reason. But I think maybe I'll go up and pull the county information and see. I'm curious to see if there's any code violations or anything else going on. If there's not, it's probably a matter of time, because that roof and thing, it's so unsafe that I'm surprised it hasn't been hit by code enforcement. But maybe I can pull that up and show how you do it and put it in the video. Anyway, that's it for this distressed property. Remember, this is not a foreclosure. This is on the market right now in Pensacola, and it's listed for $90,000 the time of me shooting this video. 90 grand. That's ridiculous. I mean, that is insane. Anyway, appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks.